Hi everyone, so today we are going to learn a structure in C++. So remember that in the previous lesson we have learned another user-defined data type which is called a class. So the structure and class, it works the same, but are different. So what is a structure in C++? A structure is a user-defined data type used to group different variables under one name. So it is used to store related data like student, like person, and others. So what is the difference between structure and class in C++? In C++, structure and class are almost the same, but with a few key differences. So the structure, always data in structure are public, but in class we have three types of access modifier which are private, public, and protected. So by default, data in class are inside of private. Okay, another difference is to start in class we use the keyword class, but in structure we use a keyword struct. So let's put into action. So we can start on include IOStream, and then using namespace std, and then int main, and return 0 error. So then, unlike in class we use keyword class, in structure we start struct, for example struct person, so there is no way to use access modifier like public, because by default data in structure are public. So we don't need to use a public like this one. It is not necessary. So let's add some property like name, string name, string, for example string name, int age, and void introduce. Okay, it's got to function, and then return to the void is a function that cannot return any value, so we use cout name, and then hello word end line. So the next is to create the instance of this structure person. So to create the instance we use person again, like this one, person1 or p1, and then p1.name equal to Alex, and p1.age remember C++ is a case sensitive. p1 are different to p1 like this. So p1.age is equal to 20. Then p1 dot introduce semicolon here, and then run this Alex hello world. So now it's work. The next in class it support the constructor function. So and the structure the same two class it support constructor function. So let's create a constructor function person name and age. Use name and age and age. Is equal to this one, like name equal to name. If you are familiar in JavaScript, it is the same like this dot name equal to name, this dot age equal to age. Okay, and age equal to age. Then remove this one, person p1 equal to person and John, Alex, and 20 semicolon. Then you have to wait. What's an error? Okay, string this one and int this one. Then compile this program. So John, Alex, hello world. So I think you know how structure it's work in C++. So and what's the difference between structure and class in C++. So as I told you that structure is like a class, is a collection of the data and method, but unlike a class we have three access modifier like private, public, and protected. But in structure always data are public, while class by default data are private. So thank you for watching this video. Make a subscribe and put in the comment what you want to learn in C++. Thank you.